Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the Jordan Air 200E. Before we get into this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, we want to see those likes, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just want to take the time and opportunity to thank subscribers new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. Thank you. Let's go. And today we've got a look at the Jordan Air 200E in the coconut milk colorway. We've got this in the UK size 7.5, European 42, and it says US men's 8.5. So let me just get unboxing. So here they are. Another review of the Jordan Lifestyle series. So we have done something similar in the past. We've done the Air Jordan MA2. So to me, this is the next one. So do check our review out of the MA2 if you get a chance to, or you want to see a younger me talk about those sneakers. But today we're looking at the Air, oh no, it's not Air Jordan, it's Jordan Air 200E. And we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is a translucent or rubber outsole. So you can see it's quite different in regards to the traction patterning. So you can kind of see a big herringbone at the heel, and you've got like waffle inspired Nike, what you usually see on a pair of Air Maxes there on the front, around the toes. And you can see the windows, like it's pretty exposed, the normal foam that they use. I believe it's a Phylon midsole, and well, it extends to the outsole, and it's illustrated here for you at the midsole area. Now, why this is called a 200E is because it has the 200 air bubble that is right there at the back. Similar to, I believe it was the Air 200s. There was a Jordan Air 200s. Forgive me, I believe I am naming it wrong, but there was something similar with a similar air unit. But it kind of reminds me of the 270 at the back. And we've done tons of those big Air Max units reviews, so do check that out. And it is all, you know, right, shown right there. If you look here on the heel, this is Air, so obviously illustrates that it's this Air Max bubble. So this kind of reminds me of, you know, your newer models of the Air Max that Nike have released up recently. We're talking about that exposed airbag unit as well. Like, that's what Nike want to do nowadays. That's what I've been seeing recently. The upper, so the upper is made out of a lot of textile materials. There is not an animal, well, actually don't hold me to that, because you know the adhesives might be a bit of animal, you know, the glue that's holding the sneaker together. However, you've got this fake hairy suede around here in the toe box area, and the mud guard kind of extends itself on the main body of the sneaker as well. And just underneath that, you got your heat pressed plastics on the toe box area, and a lot of that mesh around as well here. See it there. Similar to the MA2, you've got this massive strap at the tongue where I can barely speed this out, sorry. So it's 23 engineered. There we go, 23 engineered right there. Tongue is like this microfiber there as well, with the Jumpman logo just underneath. The collar, nicely padded. You got a 2-3 on the insole right there. You can see it there in this red colorway. And just at the back, you've got your, well, it is textile again, guys. So textile panel there at the heel. Not really a pull tab, but you got the 23E. So just had a eureka moment. The 23E means 23 engineered. Makes a lot more sense now. And there's one thing I want to mention apart from, there's a Jumpman logo at the medial side. If you look there. Before I try this one, I just want to say that if this is the successor to the Air Jordan MA2, I'm quite disappointed. It's more sleek, I get it. There's less detailing, but I did prefer that a lot of detailing on that MA2. This is kind of, without the Jordan branding, I would think that this is a Nike Air silhouette. And I think if you're looking to buy a pair of these 200Es, go for it because of the Jumpman logo. But you can find something similar on the Nike side of it, and it will be relatively cheaper. But that's just my take on it. I'm pretty sure that this is still going to be as comfortable as a pair of Nikes. Well, obviously, same technology. But these look dope, regardless of the branding. So let me roll that footage of me trying these bad boys for you on. When it comes to the sizing, guys, I recommend that you get a half size down to what you usually wear for Jordan brand sneakers. This feels very wide, and kind of feels like it's not secure to my feet. There's a lot of space where my toes are, and I can kind of see it slipping on my heel, which is quite weird because for Jordan brand I usually do get my my UK size and it fits perfectly. However, these I would recommend that you get half size down. I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm not that used to the crash pad here on the Air unit. I do prefer the MA2s, that's just my personal opinion. I thought it was more comfortable, but if you are feeling these sneakers, then go for it. But just a word of advice, go half size down to what you usually wear for Jordan brands. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. We are also on TikTok, so if you got a TikTok account, follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end on TikTok also. Till next time guys, peace.